your gun first. Everybody pump your guns.
Let's know if you need help.
If you have a hard time pumping them.
Elise, no. Elise, you gotta point that way. That's it.
Yeah, Mom. Yes, I am also.
That's it.
Okay, no, no, no.
Good job. Good job.
Close it. You don't have a BB. You never open
But
the bowl.
Elise, you gotta point it straight.
So you got 4 BBs.
Front, hand front. Yeah. And look with the hole, right? The barrel. And see where you are looking.
You have to see it through both holes. Do you see it through both holes? This hole lines up with the hole in the center of there. Do you see it?
Because I'm nice.
Yes.
How we hold it up? We hold it up. I'm ready.
Go ahead.
You want me to show you this?
Bring your safety out if it's on.
Well, okay. When I was drinking, it was
There you go.
Did you hit?
the target will be in front of you. There you
You
go.
see that it's red right now. You see red? That means it's unsafe. Now it's safe. Okay?
I think the safety's on. Oh, no.
No.
When are they start? So you make it safe shot? Always make it safe first, right? That way nothing happens.
All right, next 6 scouts are coming in.
First, buddy. Before we get. You never shot it. There's still a BB.
You ready? Sit down. You know how to listen to them, what they say? Just what do we do? You want to pay attention?
Look with the barrel, Avian.
The red means the safety.
Both should be on the in line. Close one eye and look with one eye from there.
So you're going to grab it here. So grab it nice and you control the weapon. 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And then you this way, you go that way, and then 1, 2, 3, with both.
Yeah, now shoot.
I don't want to pin it.
It happened?
Okay? Charge is going.
Okay, well, you gotta listen to what they say, okay?
Drop your BB in.
Dangerous thing. So careful, or you'll be fine.
Close it up. Black shot, you can count. Into your shoulder. Then you turn the
Oh,
safety
you're
off.
confident.
I'm gonna watch you.
You didn't get lifted?